Hello, everybody, and welcome to Go for Green Living. My name's Daniel. Hey, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button too, because you know you're going to like the video at the end. Alright, here we go. This video on Naked Gardening Day. I wish we could have helped you on Naked Gardening Day, but unfortunately we're building a house, and we had a little bit of fun with it earlier, but that was, let's just play around between me and Root. So anyway, then we get into what's going on in our tiny house, our ultimate build. Y'all know that this tiny house will have three separate units, two separate Airbnb rentals, but also can be one house at the same time. So we can still have a functional house all at once, or we can divide it off at times that we need rentals, or the Airbnb, somebody wants to rent it, bed and breakfast Airbnb. Yes, matter of fact. So anyway, let me show you around a little bit. Okay, now coming in here, this is Root and I's main place that we're staying. We're gonna put a kitchen over here with a 16-foot high greenhouse, and then this is our loft bed, and underneath is our puppies bed, so they sit close. We're one family. Anyway, so it's still coming along. It's coming along nicely.
So we are working on rafters today, and isn't it typical? Yeah, of course. So anyway, here you are. This is in the greenhouse, a 2-story greenhouse. You're now looking at the temporary scaffold that is going to go away. And we are now going to take these ones up here. Oh, he's already doing it. Hang on. Hang on. You got it? I didn't do a lot, did I? No. So I'm trying to find him. I'm now going into unit number 3, and we're looking up at the rafter going up here. Yep, there it is. They just put it up, and this is the temporary scaffold. Let me just go up here so I can show you guys. Well, I'm now under that, so I should be careful. But anyway. Now this is when you're building. So anyway, he's up there on the temporary the video he made about that, because he's now actually walking on air. There's not going to be anything up there other than a 2-story greenhouse, remember? So now we're putting the rafters from let me see, that is from the south to the north. Yep. Okay, let me go and help him out here. Yes. So we have the pizza going over there, and the hobbit oven. And as soon as we're done with this, I'm going to turn my lovely gazebo back to my she shed. Now it's a tool shed. But first things first, house. Very brave husband. Okay. Because we have more of these ones.
Yes.
That one there is gonna be put on top of there, right? Yes. I am very proud of you.
Church, right?
Yes, that is very cool. Yes, we are putting in windows. We're in the first floor of the 2-story open greenhouse. We have these going in, and we're just putting in this one. Yay. And I'm going to see if they open or not. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put this.
Now, here in the second unit, up here in the second unit, now this is where I'm actually at right now. You can see there's our loft down there. and the separating wall. In the second unit, it's gonna have, this is the main rental Airbnb. It's gonna have huge, ginormous windows and lots of view of this beautiful view.
Are those trash bells?
I don't know. What we do? And everything. Nice and quiet. Animal sounds. You hear the chickens in the background. The cow and the horse. Great views. It'll be well worth an Airbnb experience you want on this. So anyway, the kitchenette will be back there in the back, and then the bed will be right behind me. And then this will be a bench area where Root wants wraparound benches, and then go out onto this private deck, which is right behind me is their private deck, and you can see the view that it's going to have. You know, we're talking about a zip line that'll go down to, down to the other side of the property down there. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? I think so. So anyway, so this is the second unit. Now there's a third unit. Now there's not a lot of room for this to be a tiny house. We have to take up as much space as possible in as small space as possible. So in this third unit, we go vertical, and we're gonna have the downstairs, the third unit. In here, we're gonna put a bathroom. There's gonna be a community bathroom. That's if you're here at the workshops and everything, this is the bathroom that you'll come and use, and it'll have a shower in it. But it's also the third unit's bathroom at night, so you won't be able to use it at night. If somebody's renting there, then this won't be available for you to use at night. But then we're going to take and have floating loft beds, and put a little loft bed up in the air at the end of this house, so that with the round window. That's the thing with the round window. It's a really big deal in Norway. Real carpenters, they say you can tell if a real carpenter built a house whether they have a round window or not. I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, yeah, so we got 3 units, but we also have a greenhouse going on here. We have the 16-foot high greenhouse, but then there's another greenhouse that goes in the back, and it'll actually hold the aquaponic system and everything. So it'll go around. But the first unit will be wheelchair accessible, so we're not going to leave anybody out, and pet friendly too. Anyway, but so guys, look at this. Look at this wraparound deck around the front. I couldn't figure out how I was gonna get the windows up here to the second part. The 16-foot high up in here. I'm standing on the scaffolding right now. It's nothing but down underneath me. It's down underneath me. But yes. So I thought about it. What if I take this board and I extend it out there? And I take this board and I extend it out there. And guess what? I ended up building a wraparound porch. Second story wraparound porch. Well, it's not boarded yet, but it's in the process, and it's looking fantastic. Y'all hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. Have you ever seen that before? That's why this is going to be a unique house that you're never going to see. It's going to provide its own electricity. Greenhouses will provide its food. So water catchment catches water. So we want to try to do as much self-sufficient as possible. Which there'll even be on this one. There'll even be a windmill. So we already got the tower. So might as well not be crazy and go ahead and put a windmill on it. But yeah, you'll see the high ceilings that's going to be up in here. It's going to be quite luxurious to be up here, to look down and to see, especially in springtime, because you know all the flowers that we plant. Alright guys, I love you, and Root and I will catch you on the next video. So maybe next year we can finally get together and do the May 1st naked gardening, because me and Root really don't mind that at all. Love y'all guys. Later.